Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video with Amy Makes That, where I show Cricut projects, tips, and business tips for all kinds of crafters out there. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and also check out my social media platforms. I have lots of useful tips on each and every platform of mine. Today's video, we are going to learn how to laminate stickers. Now, I previously did a video on how to make waterproof stickers right here, and someone had commented stating that you can laminate your stickers, which will therefore help them become more waterproof. Today, I'm going to be including 2 different ways to laminate your stickers, and then also showing a water test to see how well they hold up. So if you're excited to get into this video as much as I am, then keep watching. Say hi to VoiceOver Amy. Here are the stickers that say "Shop Small" in honor of the holiday season. I will not be going over the steps of making and uploading the stickers since I do have several sticker videos already on my channel, so if you are unfamiliar with that process, please refer to those videos and I will link a card here for them. We will continue to the screen and send the stickers to our printer. I'm using 2 different label paper brands. The first one is this Weatherproof gloss from Online Labels, and the second is my favorite matte label paper from Amazon, which will be linked in the video description. Then we will print both sheets of stickers on the 2 label papers, and now we can start with method 1, which is self-adhesive laminating sheets. This does not require a laminator, which is the second method, and I will get into that later in the video. So I'll take one sheet out of the box, and since there are these black registration marks that are required by Cricut, I'm going to apply the adhesive inside those marks. This will help me save extra adhesive for future projects and make it easier for the Cricut to scan the registration marks. I will mark with a pen where I need to cut it and take my paper cutter to cut the excess off. This will create a nice straight line on both sides so the adhesive fits perfectly inside the registration marks. You can remove the top part of the sheet and align it carefully onto the label paper. Press it down with your fingers once it's on, and then we can flip the adhesive over and slowly remove the backing off of it. To apply an even amount, use the scraper tool and remove the backing as you go. I highly suggest getting the extra large scraper from Cricut if you don't already have it. Definitely will be adding that to my Christmas list because I put in some extra work with the small scraper tool. Then once the backing is off, you can scrape it all down again because there may be some bubbles. Then we can send it to the Cricut to cut the stickers out. Now you can apply some matte clear tape around the borders as a precautionary, but I did not since the adhesive wasn't covering the black registration marks. I used the cut setting poster board for this and it worked great. They removed perfectly from the map, but the only complaint I have is that the alignment was off when cutting the stickers. As you can see on the bottom right, there's some white area, which I'm not sure why this happened, so if anyone happens to know why, please write it in the comments. Removing the sticker from the backing was very smooth. It was also a good amount of thickness, so it wasn't too thin, but not too thick. I applied it to my favorite glassware to prep it for the water test, and now on to method 2, which is using the laminator. I bought this one off of Amazon at a very reasonable price along with the pouches. Both will be linked in the video description, by the way. I took one of the pouches out and opened it up to place the label paper inside. A trick I learned was to put cardstock on the bottom, so if you're laminating multiple sticker sheets, you can put the second sheet facing outwards underneath it. But for today's video, I only made 1 sheet, so I placed it down. Then you can fold over the sheet and place it in the laminator. It says to place the sealed end of the pouch first, so I inserted it that way and let it laminate. I ran it through one more time to make sure that it was fully laminated because we do not want the lamination to peel off the sticker, and running it through 2 times definitely helped. Then I will cut the excess lamination off the sides and I can open it, remove the cardstock, and cut that piece off. For this one, I decided to tape clear matte Scotch tape on the registration marks just because it was very shiny and glossy and I didn't want the Cricut to not scan or cut it properly. I also cut this on the poster board setting as well, but as you can see, it did not cut them well. I would definitely find a deeper setting to cut on, maybe the chipboard setting, but just play around with it to see which setting is best. So I had some difficulty removing it, and it did the same thing again with leaving a white area on the bottom right. Again, so frustrating. When removing the backing from the sticker, I noticed it was much thicker due to the lamination. So please keep this in mind if you are making stickers or looking to sell them. Not that this is a bad thing, but it's just much thicker. I placed it on the other side of the glass, and now we can get ready for our water test. Here's the glass. I ran it under the water at a medium pressure and a lukewarm temperature. I did it on both sides, and guys, this changed the waterproof sticker game. Both held up great, and I didn't notice any different whatsoever in both methods. No ink was bleeding, the sticker wasn't even coming off the glass. I was shocked at the quality in both of them. So long story short, if you want to make waterproof stickers, laminate them. Thank you everyone so much for watching today's video. I am so impressed with how the stickers came out today. And yeah, let me know if this was a useful video for you. Please again, check out my social media accounts and subscribe to this channel for more projects like this, Cricut tips, and business tips. I will see you all in the next video. Bye!